Ta-da. I bought a coupe. 2010 Z12, 66,000 miles on the clock. Impol. I'm not sure if this I don't think this is part of the Impol, but I haven't seen very many with this kit on it. Need to get them off, give them a really good clean. Got the panoramic roof, which is a rare spec. Got these Impol covers, carbon fibre, but they are, can't really tell, but they're a little bit not great. But I need to get all these stickers off. Apart from this one, everyone insists I keep this one. Strip off all the bits from the previous owner. So I don't know if it's Czech or a houndstooth, somewhere in between. But got some plans, got some ideas. Got some mess to clear up. But overall, not too bad. So let's make a start. The only thing I've done to this so far is wash it. So I'm going to have to do a little mod. I've bought the Kill All Wipers Wiper Delete kit for this. So I'm going to get the wiper off and smooth things off. Well, that was a pretty cool little 15-minute job. Definitely weight reduction now. That will help the little 1.5 auto along really well, no doubt. Got a couple of stickers to find places for, adding weight. Yeah, like that, nice and smooth. Lots more to come. got the grill out. Ed's working on that. He's going to do the inserts and then get all that blacked up. Where are we at? It's looking pretty black. Right, let's see if it looks better. On the last few bits. You're gonna ruin it.
Almost, maybe, I don't know.
Put my big boy pants on and fix myself. We were talking about doing a sun strip for the cube, and then Ed suggested that we put, because we've already done the chameleon windscreen like this, Ed suggested that instead of like what we've done on his, what he's done is chameleon windscreen and then separated it, and then we've got a window tint strip on the inside of black, which looks cool. But what he suggested to do for mine was to put a bit of 20% on the inside under the chameleon. So now we have this. So it's sort of added to the tint of the chameleon on top, and it's emphasised the colours across the top, which I think is really cool.